A man was hearing strange noises in his backyard, and what he found inside will shock you. Thomas had recently changed jobs, prompting a move to a new house where he hoped to start fresh with his family. He was thrilled about the change and eager to settle in. At first, everything seemed perfect, but as the weeks passed, Thomas started hearing odd noises coming from his backyard. He brushed it off at first, thinking it might just be animals or the usual settling sounds of a new home. However, the noises continued, becoming more frequent and harder to ignore. With his curiosity growing, he decided one day to investigate and began to dig around in his backyard. Hours passed as he carefully uncovered more than he ever expected. Beneath the soil, he stumbled upon what appeared to be the entrance to a hidden room. Intrigued and a bit unsettled, he ventured inside, only to be met with a discovery that would change everything. Follow me and click the plus sign, commenting Thomas to get part 2.